Afternoon, everyone. So this is the part two, the Mishimoto catch can system. Did the install. Did on the passenger side first. And the reason for that is that's technically where the crankcase ventilation comes from. The other side does have breathers for the valve cover. So when I get the second one, we'll do that. But I wanted to get this first one on first. So, like I said in the previous video, they don't make a system actually for Vipers. So this was kind of the generic system I bought. They do make systems more for like import cars and stuff like that. So you might be able to find a system that's already made up that has a bracket and everything for your car. For the Viper, they just don't do that. I mean, less than 30,000 sold in 25 years, so obviously they're not going to put the research into that. But all I did was get some lock collars, 2-inch, got a plate, drilled and tapped it, welded it. It's kind of hard to see, but the bracket that comes with it is drilled and tapped and welded that plate on there. It's nice and solid, ain't anything going anywhere. Then that plate comes out and you can rotate the can however you want. There's multiple holes all the way around it, and you bolt in the orientation you want. This is the original hose that comes over and comes into here, and I just actually took the 90-degree fitting off and I'm using it up here. And this is the hose that comes with their system. I had to go buy this hose to go on here. It looks a little pinched, but it's a awful large hose, so that kink in is really not disrupting much airflow. It's not like tons of air supposed to be blowing out here at all times anyhow. If it is, you kind of got another issue. But that's what I come up with. It works. I can get my hand in here and get it off easy enough. So this is the install. It's first part of January right now, so not really got much drive time. So we'll do another video once we get to drive the car for a while and see how much it's catching, and give you a mileage and show you what it's caught. But seems to be a nice system, and that's how I installed it. So if you have a Viper and you buy one, that's the idea. I know some of the other systems for Vipers, they put the cans up here. I just kind of wanted to reuse the hose instead of this hose and kind of keep everything over here, which just seemed to fit all right. The can's awful tall compared to some of the kits that other people make for Vipers. The cans are a lot shorter, so they fit up in this area a lot easier, but for that tall can, it doesn't fit right here very well. On the other side, I believe it'll fit in there all right, but for now, this is the only one I have on here. So it's a decent looking little system. I gotta get another black hose clamp and put it down here just so this don't pop off. It's on there pretty snug, but I don't want it to pop off for any reason. But there you go. That's the update video. As always, God bless and have a good afternoon. Thank you for watching.